just to hit some crazy thing. I won't be your fling, cause I'm not that type to cling. I don't care your bling, I can settle without ring. But if you're not on that tongue, I might give you greatest bang.